In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can sign out quickly and confidently, whether you're on a computer or a phone. First, open your web browser and head to google.com. This simply gives us a clean starting point. In the search box, type Google Gemini and press Enter. We're doing this to reach the official Gemini page without needing to remember the exact URL. In the search results, look for the official Gemini site from Google. It will point you to gemini.google.com. Go ahead and click that to open Gemini in your browser. Once the Gemini page loads, make sure you're signed in. You should see your account avatar or initial in the upper right corner of the page. That circle is your profile menu. Click or tap your profile to open the account options. This menu shows the Google account you're currently using with Gemini, and if you use multiple Google accounts, you may see more than one listed. In that menu, select the option that says Sign out of all accounts. This is the key action. Choosing this option will sign you out of Gemini and also sign you out of your Google accounts in this browser session. That's helpful if you're finishing up on a shared device or you want to make sure no one can access your Gemini conversations under your account. Keep in mind, because it signs you out of all accounts, if you're juggling multiple Google profiles in the same browser, you'll be signed out of each of them and will need to sign back in later. After you click Sign Out, the page will refresh or direct you to a sign-in screen. That confirms you're logged out. Your chats and settings are still tied to your Google account and are not deleted by signing out. You simply won't be able to access them again until you log back in. A couple of quick tips. On mobile, the profile icon is usually in the top right as well, and the sign out option appears in the same account menu. If you're on a public or shared computer, consider closing the browser window after signing out to add an extra layer of privacy. And if you plan to return to Gemini soon, you can bookmark gemini.google.com to get back faster. That's it. You've successfully logged out of Gemini AI using the profile menu and the sign out of all accounts option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you secure your session with confidence.